Hello and welcome to my market update. Today I want to talk to you about pricing property correctly. Now, as a real estate agent working for sellers, pricing the home is very much a strategy on positioning where a seller needs to be. And it can be actually the biggest and most costly mistake sellers and other agents can make by not being aware of the pitfalls of pricing way too high and then not even making adjustments or just being too high in today's market. To help illustrate this, I wanted to show you a couple charts that will probably help drive the point home. One of the first things to look at is the home buyer interest on a property over time. Now, as you look at this chart, you can see the interest is greatest in the first few weeks of a home being on the market. It's in that first few weeks that a seller has more leverage in getting the price because the activity and the interest and momentum is greatest in that time frame. In fact, it positions the seller to be able to maybe get multiple offers on a property, which in turn creates a better price and terms for a seller. Secondly, to really kind of help gel that thought is that the National Association of Realtors did a survey on market time versus selling price. And here's what they discovered. In this graph, you'll see that in the first 4 weeks of the home being on the market, the selling price is within 2% of the original asking price. And at 8 weeks, it drops 4% from the original asking price. At week 12, it drops 6%. And at week 16, it drops 9%. So really what the point that's driving home is that the longer your home is on the market, the less it will likely sell for. Or another way of also saying it is that the longer your home is on the market, the more it affects the buyer's perception of value and what a buyer is willing to pay for the property based on how long it's been on the market. As an example, a home that's been on the market 4 days is worth more to a buyer in perception than a home that's been on the market 140 days. So you can see that time on the market does affect the perception of what a buyer is willing to pay, because they may begin to start asking what's wrong with it, why isn't anyone buying it? So it creates kind of a negative perception. So really, in summary, 2 points to take home as a seller. Your critical window is 3 to 4 weeks. So if you're on the market and you're generating activity, which is good, and you're getting momentum, that's great because you have that window. But more importantly, if you want to get your home sold for the highest and best price, you need to be within 2% of the market value of the property, because that's going to give you a better chance of getting that top sale price and also interest level as well. And if the other point to understand is that if you're not getting an offer within that 2 to 3 week time frame, you still have time to make an adjustment or a price improvement to allow yourself to still take advantage of that momentum period, or leverage period as I call it. To answer more of your questions, again, about buying or selling, give me a call at 805-339-3516. Thanks.